So, hi dear Capricorn, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal of reading for all the Capri Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind, this is general. It might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the rules can be reversed also. Third thing, this is a reading from today till the 25th of August for those who are in complete no contact or no communication and wants to know what's going on the other side. If it is not resonating, it's not your story. You can just skip the video, okay? If you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can just purchase my course. The link is in the description box. You can start your journey from there, okay? And if you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that. I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start, Cappies. Your person that you're in no contact with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment. We have the Five of Swords, the Justice, and the Ace of Wands. Bottom of the deck is the Nine of Swords. Eight of Swords, I'm sorry. So they can't stop thinking negative about the situation, okay? And this person have strong belief in the universe that someday justice is going to happen. Someday you are going to reach out to them yourself because you are the one who messed it up. You are the one who fucked it up. So you are the one who should be going behind them. You are the one who should be reaching out to them. You are the one who should fix the situation between you and them. So right now, I'm not seeing it as ego or pride. I'm seeing it as somebody who knows that you are the one to blame here. You are the one who should connect with them, reconnect with them. You are the one who should initiate this chapter again with apology, message, communication. And they are in this energy of, okay, they can't stop thinking negative about you or about this situation for some reason. Whenever they think about you, they think only negative, like you are the one who suck, you are the one who did something wrong, you are the one to blame here, you are the one who should fix this, you are the one who should say sorry. So they have full faith in the universe. Their ego, their mind, their pride, everything, self-respect is telling them that someday Capricorn is going to reach out and fix it because they know it. Okay? They feel like that. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Cappies. Okay, their intention is to stand still. In the background, their intention is to stand still. Okay? Okay. This person at least wants to have that communication with you, that final communication, that final conversation with you where you lied to them, you cheated on them, you did something wrong behind their back, and you owe them some kind of apology. They definitely want to have at least one communication, one last communication with you to have a proper closure with you, Capricorn. It's very important. So the roles can be reversed also, please keep that in mind. But this person definitely have this energy of, I should if they are the one who did something wrong, I should at least apologize to Capricorn for whatever I did with them. Or they are in this energy of, at least Capricorn should apologize to me, at least they should tell me the truth about the situation that they hid from me for a very long time, at least they should take the action of coming forward towards me and do something about it. From their side, they just want to stand still, they just want to surrender to the divine. They are just in the energy of knowing that someday Capricorn is going to reach out and tell me the truth and fix it with me. If not fixing doesn't mean having a reconciliation. Means fixing means okay, someday Capricorn is going to reach out and tell me the truth, and then I will get the proper closure, and then I will move on like this. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, Cappies, by the 25th of August. Dil to ja tu. They're very slow to action, very slow to action. I think even if you are going to connect with them, they're not going to answer. I think this person right now is busy in creating their own happiness, doing their own thing, like in traveling or preparing for something, like creating something day by day. I don't know what they are up to, but even if you are going to connect with them, even if you are going to talk to them, they're not going to respond well, or they're going to respond very like a very delayed kind of response is going to be there, Cappies. For some reason, I do see this is their desire to talk to you. It's like this person definitely wants to talk to you. This is their wish fulfillment, but they're delaying it. They're like, no, not the right time. I will do it, but not right now. Hmm. Yeah, they are on the crossroads. They are in this energy of whether I should or I should not. I should not. I should not. So they are delaying the process deliberately by not talking to you, by not unblocking you, or by not answering you. So it's like a deliberate energy of not doing anything about it, even if they want to. Okay, let's see the guidance for you guys here, Cappies, for the situation. Temperance. Be very, very patient with the situation as much as you can. Do not lose your temper. Don't get angry. Don't get frustrated. Don't try to put a like. Don't try to be a part of a blame game in the situation, because see, the thing is that whatever answers you are seeking for from this particular person, you are going to get it from the universe. At least like at the just at the right time. It's all about divine timing. You are going to get all of your answers with patience. Okay, someday you're definitely going to get all of your answers. By by putting pressure on this particular person or energy, or by being impatient, or by being the part of some kind of drama or game, it's not going to help you. It's going to harm you only. It's going to hurt you only. So it's better to stay calm, stay, don't lose your temper, be patient with yourself. Let's pray, heal, and just keep going with the flow, and you will definitely get your answer sooner or later in your life. For the time being, just pray, let go, let God, and surrender. Okay. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Cappies. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.